Good day and welcome to learning exercise 8,4.1. In this unit we will be looking at finding the first derivative, now not using the first principle but using rules of differentiation. Transitional lesson. So three notations commonly used to find the derivative. F dash x, that's first derivative. If I make 2 of its second derivative, we differentiate y with respect to x, dy over dx, or capital T power x. So rules of differentiation, general rule. If f of x equal ax to the power n, and n is an element of real numbers, and n can be any number, and the first derivative equals a times n, so the n from there goes to a, and we subtract 1 from n minus 1. To look at what I'm talking of, if I give you f of x equal x cubed, that becomes 3 times x, which then becomes 3x, and 3 minus 1, which then becomes 2. Right? See, when we did first principle, the first derivative of a constant, so if fx is constant, then the first derivative of a constant is always 0, so f of x of 38 is then equal to, first derivative of that equal to 0. Right? If we say d of x, and now we have two equations, f of x plus g of x, or f of x minus g of x, and this is the same as saying d of x of fx, or the derivative of fx, plus or minus the derivative of gx. So basically, if I differentiate x with respect to equation given 3x to the power 8 plus 4x to the power 5, 8 times 3 becomes 24, 8 minus 1 becomes 7. 5 times 4 becomes 20, 5 minus 4, or 5 minus 1, becomes 4. We also have, where we have differentiate, the constant times fx, is the same as saying differentiate the constant on its own and differentiating fx. So if you look at what I'm stating there, fx equal to 8x squared. There's my 8, it's k, and there's f of x is given as x squared. Then my first derivative then would be 8 times 2 times x becomes 2x, 2 minus 1 becomes 1, so 8 times 2x then becomes 16x. Alright? And then, reminder, when we use rules of differentiation, there are a lot of surds. So this is just to remind you how to write a surd. If I have x to the power 5, fourth root of x to the power 5, exponent inside, if we write this as a fraction, would go on top, and the outside goes to the bottom. So this we will use a lot in our problems we get in exams. Right? Hope you understand. All the best. Let's look at some problems. God bless. Bye.